Babe?
Huh?
How can chips kang achik? Kopa olo patla bohabe shop man ning bona ka habo we need to
I don't have time to shop.
Bon, parce que batla ho ena butu, okay? Ba batle ho ya no bona how you
Okay.
yeah I can yeah. Okay, yes, and what more crunching and we soft take it over mono baby. Moke mono.
Yeah, no, every match you do better like a pillion and it's about who can it. You're big in a few minutes.
Three weeks later.
Hi YouTube, it's your girl and welcome back to another video with your girl. If you're new here, make sure you like, you comment and you share this video with your friends so that more people can join the family. Anyway, okay guys, so anyway, listen, yeah, I'm going to be doing something brand new. I'm going to be doing a prank video. Yay! Okay, so basically what I'm going to do now, I'm going to call my friend. You guys know my friend, you know, the good looking one, the cute one. Oh my goodness. You guys almost saw my boyfriend's properties. Yeah. Okay, anyway guys, I was saying right now guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to call my friend real quick before my boyfriend comes back and yeah, set everything up, make sure that when my boyfriend comes back everything's all set, and yeah, I'll show you guys in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Hey friend.
Oh, hey pussy.
How are you?
Check my
Hey.
What's wrong?
See, ne, I need your help. Ne?
Okay, you sound like you got something.
Yeah. So my man's been acting kind of fishy, you know. So I want to put him to a test, and I think I'm gonna need your help on that.
Don't you think it's forward?
No, friend. It's not too much. Just I need your help on this, okay? Like I need to do this.
Oh, for you I can do it for 10 hours. Oh.
Yeah.
So can you that the plans after?
Yeah, sure. I'll fill you in. I'll tell you how everything's gonna go about, and yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna need you to come over here and kind of like, you know, come and seduce my boyfriend. Let's put him to a test and see if he'll be loyal to me or not.
Cool.
Bye.
2 hours later.
Okay, babe.
Okay, babe, here's your bread.
Just in time. The fries are about to be ready.
Babe, here's the fries. Oh, thanks, baby. Oof, this looks good.
Melanin drip queen, it's your body that I'm missing. Yeah.
Oh, who'd that be? Oh, hey, friend. How are you? Damn, you look good, girl.
Look at you.
Anyway, babe. Yeah. This is my friend Candy. This is my boyfriend Deho. Oh, hey.
Hi.
Hey, what brings you here, friend?
Oh, that bag. Makeup kit.
Oh, the makeup kit. Oh my goodness. I forgot it down the block. But can you please wait for me? See right there. Yeah, feel comfortable and I'll go get it for you real quick, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Sit right there. Babe. Yeah. I'll be back in a few minutes. I gotta go get the makeup kit for my friend. Yeah. I'll be back. Oh, okay, my love. Okay, guys, so I finally left them and now I'm going to go out, hide somewhere and wait for them, then come back after a few minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys once we're done.
So, should I do more?
Oh, it's actually my YouTube channel. I actually started a while back, so I'm just chilling up over now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I love YouTube.
You like YouTube? For real? Man, you should come over here if you want some more.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Whew. Okay, so I have this video and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Called Meeting Your Girlfriends Rather Be Like. Let me show you. You know, it got pretty much quite an acceptable number of views, but hey,
Oh.
yeah.
Priscilla told me about it, but I never knew the video was you.
Oh, yeah, so you saw it in your phone, man.
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy.
Probably
Yeah.
girls are crazy.
Bro? Damn, why would you say that though?
Nah, you know, I'm getting
Damn.
girlfriend is
Yes. Yo, I don't think it.
Okay. Capoeira.
Emotional, damn it.
One eternity later.